check in now with that forecast. And meteorologist Courtney Jacobazzi. Courtney?
Good morning, everyone. Happy Tuesday. Let's talk about our forecast setup, and this is going to kind of explain what I'm going to go through over the next couple of minutes. Today and tomorrow, we're going to have this nice northerly breeze that's actually coming around Tropical Storm Imelda that's currently about 200 plus miles off the coast of Port Canaveral. We're also going to be mostly dry. We'll have that nice breeze, very similar to yesterday. Hopefully that'll help cut the heat a little bit. But then late week into the weekend, we're going to have a front start to move into the southeast. Doesn't look like it's going to make it all the way into the Bay Area, but that is going to trap in moisture and increase our rain chances as our wind starts to come out of the east a little more and just ultimately makes us more unsettled into the weekend. Here is Tropical Storm Imelda, currently again just over 200 miles off about Port Canaveral, starting to make that turn off to the east. Northeast motion at about 7 miles per hour. Yes, that storm a little further off to the west. That is Hurricane Humberto, now a Category 2 hurricane rather than a major hurricane. Here's a look at the latest forecast track of Imelda. Forecast to become a Category 1 hurricane as it approaches Bermuda. So there's a hurricane watch for the island of Bermuda right now. Briefly going to become a Category 2 storm by Thursday and then quickly weaken as it moves into the open Atlantic. So again, not going to impact us here at home. We'll have some of those secondary impacts, which is in the form of a few wraparound showers. And you're seeing those this morning along the Atlantic coast over towards Port Canaveral this morning. Just a couple of light showers. Here at home, we are nice and dry to start the day, and it's fairly comfortable out there. It's muggy, but temperatures are a little cooler this morning. We're at 74 in West Chase, 75 in Safety Harbor, 74 in St. Pete, 74 at McDill, 73 in Trinity, 72 in Thanodasassa, and 73 right now in Brooksville. Taking you through the day today, our feels like temperatures will generally stay in the low 90s, so it's not going to be oppressively hot and humid. That sun is definitely going to feel warm when you're standing in it, and we'll see tons of sunshine today. But at least our feels like temperatures through the afternoon, you can see between about 3 and 7, aren't going to be in the upper 90s. They'll stay in the low 90s. Forecast stays mostly dry today. As Imelda continues to push further east, that's going to leave our forecast even drier. Most of the rain along the Atlantic coast today. And then we should stay dry through about 5, 6 o'clock. Notice, though, after 6 p.m., so after your evening commute, really if you have any dinner plans tonight, a few isolated showers and storms possible along that 75 corridor, and then that could continue even after sunset tonight. We should be mostly dry through the overnight hours, though, and going into your Wednesday morning. The marine forecast, light chop on the bay. It'll be a little more of a bumpy ride if you're heading offshore today. Seas at about 2 to 3 feet with that northerly wind around 10 to 15 knots. Tomorrow, very similar forecast. Highs in the low 90s, just a few spotty storms. But then take a look at our expected rainfall as that front approaches. We'll have higher rain chances, 40, 50, and 60% coverage of rain on Saturday. So Saturday continues to trend wetter for us. Doesn't look like it's a washout, but the afternoon and evening each day, back half of the week into early next week, will bring that chance for scattered storms. High temperatures will stay in the upper 80s to low 90s.